Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am unboxing this Birchbox, and it got really destroyed, and it says happy birthday Jessica. It is my birthday month and I'm barely having my coffee, and so if you hear noise in the back, it's my kids. I'm gonna do this really quick because my baby's asleep. I hate how they put a box in a box. Anyway, so this is what it looks like, and it says, "Dear self-action also requires rest. Give yourself the permission to do both. Alexandra L." So this is what my products. Sorry guys, I'm a mess right now. So this is what it looks like inside. Let's open it together. And ooh, first thing I see is hand sanitizer by KNDR. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm so sorry. And yes, I'm not in my room. I am in my kitchen. So this is what it looks like. It's a hand sanitizer. Okay. Luxurious hand sanitizer, full size, $12. This nourishing, I can't talk right now, I'm sorry. Antibacterial hand gel works to eliminate germs while leaving skin feeling supple and soft. It's fragrance with natural botanicals for gentle floral scent. I mean, I have like 20 hand sanitizers everywhere. I'm not gonna open it unless I run out. And then the next thing I see in here is Beauty Protector. Protect and detangle. So it's this little bottle. I can use it on my daughter because she has really curly hair. And it's really hard for her to for me to do her hair because it gets so tangled and it's just so hard. So this is $23.50 for a full size. Wow, okay, this is protects against UV rays and heat styling while preventing color from fading. Spray all over towel dry hair. I wonder if I can use it on my daughter. She's gonna be 4 pretty soon, so Thursday she's gonna be 4. Pretty sure I can use it on her. Okay, that's cute. What is this? I don't know what that is. Kate Somerville, Wrinkle Warrior. 2-in-1 plumping moisturizer. Ooh, I can use this. And I've had some of her stuff from BoxyCharm, but I gave them away because I think it was no, if I'm not mistaken, it was a lip corrector, I think. I'm not sure, but I got something from her. I gave it to my mom. I'm not a huge fan, but this, I'm definitely going to give it a try. This is Wrinkle Warrior 2, and the full size is $98. This is sample size, and it's like literally this full. I can see it from right here. It's this much product. But hey, summer's here. I'm pretty sure it's going to be good for my lips, and it has a safety seal, which is good. That way it doesn't go to waste. This is not in here. Okay, so this is the Marseille CC Cream Golden Glow SP 35. Full size is $34. So what is this? Complete correction sunscreen. Oh, okay. How do you get that out? It's like, I hate it. Such a big packaging for that little thing. Okie dokie. So is CC Cream foundation, or what is this? Helps prevent sunburn if used. Okay, decrease skin. Okay, I can use this when I go on vacation next week. Woo! So this is good. All-in-one plumping serum, moisturizer, and primer that hydrates skin and visibly smooth crow's feet, fine lines, and wrinkles in just 30 minutes. Used in the AM and PM. Yeah, I'm getting into that age. I'm gonna be 29 on Monday, and it's kind of like, not happy about it, but yeah. So this is what it looks like. Our last product. Oh no, we have 2 more stuff in here. Okay. Aero Cooling Cheek Tint. This one is $18 full size. Oh, and the other one was $34. I don't know if I did mention it. This cheek tint gives a natural flush that hydrates and long-lasting, perfect for summer dust. Apply smooth out on cheeks and blend out with your fingers. Layer for more color. I'm not gonna use this. I don't really like. I like more of the blushes, like the powder ones. I don't really like the liquid ones, so I'm not gonna use this. I'm just gonna give it to my mom or something. Pretty cool. Wait, what is this? Pretty Filter Classy Skin Balm. Touch and Soul. Oh, I love Touch and Soul. So this is full size. It's $32. This smooth moisturizing primer melts into skin, leaving behind a brightened, complex, and glow that lasts all day. Apply the last step on your skincare routine. So I'm probably gonna take this also to my when we leave for a vacation next week, because it's really nice. I mean, I don't have to carry my big bottle of like skincare. I can just carry this, and it's gonna be good because we're gonna be gone for 3 days. So I'm pretty sure this can last 3 days. Anyway, guys, that is it for my Birchbox. This is the 3rd box I've gotten. This is what it looks like, and I like it. I'm not gonna be mad at it. I mean, they are sample sizes, and I really can use sample sizes, especially because I have kids and I have to carry a diaper bag, and make like big ones take so much space. So it's better just to like do the little samples, and it saves so much room. I mean, that's what I do. I don't know any other moms. But yes, guys, that is it for my Birchbox. And my BoxyCharm is on its way. So stay tuned for that video. I have my premium and my base. Unless we get, I don't know if we get, do we get Lux this month? I don't remember. I don't think so. I think we just get base and, what's it called? Lux. No. Base and premium. But I can't wait because I saw some spoilers and I was like, ah. Anyway, so this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. And I just can't wait for my BoxyCharm. So excited. It's my birthday month, and every time it's my birthday month, I get excited for BoxyCharm because it's like a gift from me to me. Anyway, so guys, so yes, that's it for today. I'm sorry, this is my messy hair. I didn't wake up. I just finished my chores, but yes, my kids are outside, and anyway, so my baby's asleep. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know down in the comments if you guys get Birchbox. If not, totally fine. Can't wait to BoxyCharm. That's what I'm most excited for. And yes, so I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for all my new subscribers. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for all my love. And the reason why I'm looking that way is because my kids are just walking across the room. They're like literally quietly. Anyway, so I'll see you guys on my next video, okay? Bye.